What was done here was not right. The law has us scuttling like rats in the gutter.
But I see the very people that this city has overlooked for so long. What are we fighting for exactly?
Our towns.
So you want justice?
Yes.
Don't forget to vote on August 8th.
Do you feel well?
Proud my city all night long.
What if I'm not the hero? What if I'm the bad guy?
You want what's best for the city, so you took it upon yourself to put it right. The law says differently. You've got to handle this.
Oh, there were crimes committed, no doubt. Tomorrow, someone else. The next day, someone else. They don't want to be anywhere near me.
Do you feel manly yet?
Unexplained killings.
You're working overtime.
It's my job to protect you.
The city.
I'm going to be direct with you. If I found you lying in the street, broken, dead, it would take a long time to get that image out of my head. Even for a hero, death wins.
Take a shot.
Not tonight.
You, my friend, have a death wish.